Assalamu alaikum. Class 5th, subject environmental studies. Topic है the earth. Subtopic the movements of the earth day and night. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth spins very fast on its axis. Different parts of the earth spin at different speeds. At the poles, the earth spins at 480 kilometers per hour, but at the equator, it spins at 1600 kilometers per hour. This happens because the parts near the equator make a bigger round. The rotation of Earth on its axis causes day and night. At any time of the day, half of the Earth will receive light from the sun and will have day. The other half will be in darkness and will have night. The half that faces the sun has day. The half that is away from the sun has night. However, as the earth spins on its axis, the side which was in darkness and had night will move into sunlight and will have day, and the other side which had light will remove into darkness and will have night. The sun seems to rise in the east and set in the west. This is because the earth rotates from west to east. Seasons. While the earth spins on its axis, it also moves around the sun. The part in which the earth travels around the sun is oval in shape. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. This is called the solar year. Seasons are caused by the tilt of Earth's axis and a revolution of Earth around the sun. The sun rays fall directly on the equator throughout the year, and therefore the days and nights are equal at the equator. This part receives the same amount of sunlight all the year round. It has summer throughout. Days and nights are off about 12 hours each. As the earth revolves around the sun, the seasons go on changing, and we get the 4 seasons of summer, winter, spring, and autumn. The 2 factors which cause seasons are: number 1, the tilted axis of the earth, and number 2, the revolution of the earth. आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे कल पढ़ेंगे.